Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we're making a dish with quinoa. Quinoa is a low sodium food, good source of fiber, and rich in protein. We're going to use quinoa to make a dish. We're going to use chicken liver. Sometimes we're just fed up with the chicken and beef. Just a change, okay? So we're going to use liver for this recipe. Red onions, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, black beans, diced tomatoes, smoked paprika, salt, crushed red pepper, extra virgin olive oil. So friends, into a pan, you want to go ahead and add some oil. I'm using olive oil. I'm going to throw in my liver. And some salt. A little bit of black pepper. At this point, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cover for 5 more minutes. The aroma. Smells so good. Liver is cooked, and I'm going to set it aside. In a pan, go ahead and add your washed quinoa. Some water. Pinch of salt. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. Cover and let it cook. Add the vegetables. Onions. Black beans. And the liver. Drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Cover and let it cook. Stir. Look at this beauty. Friends, the aroma. Smells so good. This is so healthy. And the colors. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. All right, it's ready. Guys, our food is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.